Hello and welcome back to our channel. If you are diving into data analysis, you know how crucial it is to have the right tools. Today, we are showcasing the top 3 AI tools that can take your data analysis to the next level. First, we have Tableau. It offers collaborative data visualization software for organizations working with business information analytics. With Tableau, you can visualize data and reveal patterns for analysis in business intelligence, making the data more understandable. Next, we have Data Robot. It simplifies machine learning with automated AI model creation, perfect for beginners and experts. Data Robot brings all your generative and predictive workflows together into one powerful platform. Lastly, we have Microsoft Power BI. It offers smart AI-driven visualizations and insights, making data analysis seamless. It helps you transform data from multiple sources into actionable insights. So there you have it, our top 3 AI tools for data analysis. Whether you are just starting out or looking to enhance your capabilities, these tools offer some amazing features to meet your needs. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.